यार इसने शॉर्ट फिल्म करी है एंड यू पुट अ स्टोरी दैट दिस इज द सॉन्ग फ्रॉम इट. आई वाज लाइक शिट, तनया इज ऑन द नेक्स्ट लेवल.
जिद्दी बनो, झगड़ा करो, जिद्दी बनो. देयर इज नो इजी वे आउट. लाइक इफ आई डाई टुमारो विल आई रिग्रेट टुडे? नो, आई वोंट. आई फील इंडिया में अगर आप एक आर्टिस्ट के पेरेंट्स हो, दैट्स अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट थिंग. मेरे पेरेंट्स को लोगों ने बोला, अरे आपकी बेटी को समझाओ, ये क्या हो रहा है, प्लीज टेल हर दिस इज नॉट द राइट थिंग.
इज इट नेसेसरी कि तुमको अलग अलग डांस फॉर्म आना चाहिए और यू कैन जस्ट एक्सेल इन वन?
एंड कर्टन ड्रॉप जब हुआ, आई वाज क्राइंग द एंटायर टाइम बिकॉज ओ माय गॉड, मेरा ऐसे दिल में लड्डू फूटने जैसा हो गया.
अभी इफ समवन आस्क यू यार तनया मेरे को ना एज अ प्रोफेशन करना है,
ये बस कनेक्शन के थ्रू होता है डांस में. दिस मंथ आई एम गेटिंग 1 लाख बाय द एंड ऑफ द मंथ. नेक्स्ट मंथ आई माइट गेट ओनली 10K. मैंने बैकग्राउंड डांसिंग भी किया है इन बिग बजट CR वाले वेडिंग्स.
So hi guys, in today's podcast I'm very excited to introduce my friend Tanaya. She's a professional dancer, but let me give you a background check. She has started as a computer science engineer. She did her degree to make her parents happy and proud, and then now she is a professional dancer exploring a lot of things. One highlight, she has done a short film, as well as there's a show in Mumbai which is Raja Adi Raj, which is depicting the life of Shri Krishna, and it was a very huge proud moment for me as well as obviously her and her parents. So it's her journey transitioning from a computer science to a professional dancer. Here we go. Hi Tanaya, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. Thank you for inviting me.
Thanks for joining actually.
Always most welcome. And this is my first podcast, so I was really excited. I never thought this would come up, but I still remember you couple of months ago, you gave me a call and you were like, podcast करना है एक तेरे साथ. And I was like, okay, this is it. Maybe this is the first time I get to go on a podcast and speak something, because this is something that I haven't done. कैमरा के सामने तो रही हूँ, I have been on stage, but speaking is not something that I have done that often.
See, the thing is, the theme of the podcast is how to become X. So X can be anything. It can be a professional dancer, it can be a student abroad, it can be a trader, a software developer, anything.
Yeah.
So I felt कि why not your journey? Your journey is also a truly inspirational for us. कि यार, because we know in the entertainment industry or dance related, there are so many struggles one goes through. You did your computer science with me, of course, we were two batchmates. So I have seen you from, like doing small gigs, and now you're doing such a big, massive event like Raja Adi Raj. So it's a proud moment for us as well as the viewers जिनको pursue करना है, but they are like, यार there is so much skepticism कि होगा नहीं होगा, कैसे करेंगे. So I feel you're the best candidate to walk us through your journey, and maybe it will help a lot of people who want to pursue it. Could be like वो रहता है ना कि किसी ने बस एक छोटा सा nudge करना है and then you're ready.
Good to go.
So that could be one thing.
Yeah.
So we'll start with your introduction, and then we'll take it from there.
Yes. Yeah. So hi, I'm Tanaya Biswas, and I'm a professional dancer who has an engineer's degree in computer. But yeah, I have always been into dancing. Like I started dancing from age 3. That was my first dance on stage. So it's not like dance came in now. I think even before, parallelly, when I started studying at age 3, you go to the school also, you join this preschool. That's when I started dancing also. So पढ़ाई and dancing हमेशा से ही parallelly रहा है. And I very well knew कि I am going to pursue dance itself. Engineering तो बस हो गया, but then I knew कि dance ही है जो मुझे करना है. It's going to be my profession. I knew that for sure.
So then, like, why engineering? Because if dancing was your profession, you could have chosen some, less effective course or less intense course. Maybe arts में कुछ वैसे types. So why?
So honestly, there are a lot of answers to this. तो एक तो मीम है, सबने देखा होगा, इंडिया में कोई आर्ट या फिर कोई अपना पैशन डायरेक्टली नहीं फॉलो करता है, इंजीनियरिंग के थ्रू फॉलो करता है. सो आई थिंक आई एम द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल, वन ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ दैट मीम. सो आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन like, not boasting, but I loved studying, and I have always been a rank holder. Like I used to always top in class in school, in junior college, and even in our college I had good grades always. So studying was not like कि अरे मम्मी पापा पीछे पड़े. I liked doing that. But honestly, I didn't have the exposure. Like my parents, they always wanted me to, you know, pursue science. So after 10th, I was like, art lu, commerce lu, science lu. I knew that I'm not going to do any of these things, but I was like, कि, okay, if science के through आप कहीं पे भी जा सकते हो, आप arts से you can divert it towards arts or commerce. But कोई और लेते तो maybe I wouldn't have come back to science. So it was that, and my scores have always been good. So it was just that flow में okay engineering है. I knew मुझे bio नहीं करना है, like medical में नहीं जाना है, तो engineering it was. But I was very sure मेरा aim था that 4 years of engineering I parallelly train myself, क्योंकि I am a Bharatnatyam dancer. Till 10th I have been trained, like 8 years of training in Bharatnatyam. And I wanted to explore different styles like contemporary, other Western styles. And I stay a little far from the city center. And city center में बहुत सारे, I stay in PCMC, and city center में बहुत सारे अच्छे dance schools and universities नहीं बोल सकते, dance classes है. So I remember जब मैं अपने top, like after 12th के marksheet आप अपना top 3 जो select करते हो, I made sure कि वो city side हो. So that after my like college I can travel and वो city side कोई एक dance class join करूँ and parallelly train करूँ. तो फर्स्ट ईयर में ही आई वॉज गोइंग टू कोथरूड, मैंने कंटेम्प चालू किया एंड आई वॉज ट्रैवलिंग टू कोथरूड. देन सेकेंड ईयर आई व्हेन थोड़े चीज़ें और अच्छे हो गए, नाउ आई वॉज लाइक स्टेबल एंड आई कुड डू समथिंग मोर. देन कोरोना आ गया. बट कोरोना वॉज ऑल्सो लाइक अ ब्लेसिंग इन डिस्गाइज, क्योंकि ऑनलाइन फिर बहुत सारे टीचर्स जुड़ने लगे. लाइक आई कुड नॉट इमेजिन गेटिंग ट्रेन्ड फ्रॉम समवन हु इज़ इन दिल्ली और समवन हु इज़ इन कोलकाता. दैट हैपेंड ओनली बिकॉज ऑनलाइन पीपल स्टार्टेड टीचिंग, बिकॉज दे एट दैट टाइम वही एक जरिया था. So I started taking training in jazz, funk, heels, whacking. So that's how these styles came into my life, and I realized that how जैसे हर लड़की के दो पहलू होते हैं. For me, my dance also expresses that kind of feel for me. I do this also, I do that also, I do classical, I do western also. So yeah.
So like, is it necessary कि तुमको अलग-अलग dance form आना चाहिए, or you can just excel in one?
That's totally up to you. So there are so many dance artists performers who just want to stick to their style and they are excelling in it. For me, I always wanted to, explore different styles. So I didn't want to restrict myself in only one box. That's how I pursue it. Now, जिनको एक ही में pursue करना है, then they master it, then उसमें they start exploring it. वो भी कर सकते हैं. But then I wanted to personally explore different dance styles, so I took that up.
And online, like, मतलब I have a very थोड़ा ऐसे क्या बोलते हैं nitty-gritty है कि यार online बहुत issue है if you are learning from online tutorials.
Yeah, वो तो है.
how is
वो
it?
honestly lockdown में और कुछ option नहीं था. So now if you go to see, very few people are, अभी online नहीं चल रहा. Only if I want to train from some foreign teacher, it's only then that I would take up, कोई course जो बाहर का है. That also many senior dancers and like dancers, they do, if they like some artist foreign में, they'll take their online courses, क्योंकि बाकी जा नहीं सकते. But India के अंदर I don't see. Lockdown के time that was on a very high scale, but अभी वो नहीं है. हाँ, so sorry, I forgot. Coming back to ये कि engineering क्यों किया. I was sure कि मुझे इंजीनियरिंग नहीं करना है, बट दैट वॉज द सेफेस्ट ऑप्शन आई फेल्ट एट दैट टाइम, क्योंकि किसी और ज़रिए से मैं डांस नहीं कर सकती थी. आई थॉट 4 साल में, जब इंजीनियरिंग में यू नीड 4 years. 4 years I'll train myself so well that the end of engineering, when I pass out with my degree, I'll be like, oh, I have been trained and now I want to pursue dance, so there won't be anyone to stop me. But वो कम हुआ because of Corona. Had Corona not been there, I could have taken up projects also side by side, but वो सब बंद था, तो वो सब नहीं हुआ. But again, by God's grace, I remember 2022 when we passed out, I got this opportunity to work as a dance teacher in Euro. So Euro, again, there was this DanceWorks company जो मुंबई से आई, and they wanted to open branch in Pune, Bangalore and all. So Euro schools में उन्होंने dance चालू किया. So I got trained with them in jazz. And then उन्हीं का syllabus था that I had to follow. So 2022 entirely I was with Euro School. I taught there. It was a part-time thing. Twice a week I had to go there, teach the dancing.
Just to interrupt, but let's go back to this story थोड़ा सा.
Yeah.
I know you were passionate about dancing since childhood, पर was there a inspiration point कि इसको देख के I turned into dancing, or it was just into you?
नहीं, I feel Krishna's grace. I mean, it's Mahadev's grace कि मुझे dance. All these art were started as a form of worship, so they are beautiful. And सबको नहीं आता. Honestly, I have taught in संगीत. लोगों को एक step या फिर थोड़ा move करने में भी दिक्कत होता है. That's when I realized that it is a boon. सबको नहीं आता है. Not every skill is given to everyone. This is given to me by God. क्योंकि 3 साल में आप किससे इंस्पिरेशन लोगे? I started when I was 3. I remember dancing on stage. I still have a photo जब मैं on stage थी, and that feeling carried on क्योंकि I knew how liberated, how free, how beautiful I used to feel about myself when I was on stage performing, and there were audience in front of me clapping for me. That feeling is just heavenly for me. So inspiration उसके बाद तो बहुत लोग रहे. Then DID and all came into the picture. तब जाके आपको पता चला ओ डांस भी. उसके पहले तो I don't even feel कि इतना लोगों में exposure या awareness था कि you know डांस भी एक करियर हो सकता है. बट देन DID एंड ऑल स्टार्टेड, देन हाउस होल्ड थिंग हो गया. एवरीवन यूज्ड टू वॉच, एंड देन दैट्स हाउ यू न्यू दैट ओके यू कैन बिकम अ डांसर ऑल्सो. एंड बहुत सारे लोग हैं हु हैव इंस्पायर्ड, बट आई वुड नॉट पिक वन पॉइंट. बट देन आई फील इट इज़ अ गिफ्ट फ्रॉम गॉड, एंड वो टैलेंट आई रियलाइज्ड इट, एंड मुझे उसको तराशने का मौका मिला. दैट ऑल्सो इज़ प्रोवाइडेड बाय गॉड अगेन. He gave me such beautiful teachers. मैं इंस्टीट्यूट पे भी जा पाई and all. My mom put me in Bharatnatyam school. That was in itself a blessing. I mean, she could have not put me simply, but then she did it. So I think it was all planned.
Is it fair to say that dance could be your ikigai? मतलब that the purpose कि हाँ मुझे dance ही करना है, and through it I feel happy about it.
Yeah.
And is it fair
honestly
to say
true, it is, but right now it is only for me, and I have not reached that point कि मैं अपने डांस के थ्रू लोगों को कैसे और इंस्पायर या फिर हेल्प कर सकूँ. बट आई नो फॉर अ फैक्ट दिस इज द थिंग दैट God has chosen for me, and in future I'll find a way to help people to connect to a greater mass, to help the world, the country, people around me through this art. वो किसी भी वे में आ सकता है. इट माइट नॉट बी रिलेटेड ऑल्सो, बट आई नो दिस लिंक विल समहाउ कनेक्ट समवेयर इन फ्यूचर, एंड दिस इज वॉट इज मेंट फॉर मी. दैट इज फॉर श्योर.
At least one of the link is your short film and the Rajadhiraj. That was the major thing. जब I saw your story, यार इसने short film करी है, and you put a story that this is the song from it. I was like shit. Tanaya is on the next level, because I've seen you as a doing small gigs. Because कैसे engineering के बाद there is always this pressure even from the parents. कि 4 साल engineering करी है, then there is a placement season in the 4th year. So that's when you get a lot of you get a lot of pressure from your parents कि यार सबकी placements हो रही है. What about you? Even let's say your parents are thinking about their kids, you know, bright future कि यार job कर लेगा, then he or she will be like settled down, it will be earnings and everything. There's stable income हो जाएगा. I know, because this
true.
So one question is, how did you break it out to your parents कि मेरे को placement में नहीं बैठना है, I want to do this as a profession? First question, and a follow-up would be, how was their reaction and the whole thing basically?
So I'll tell, but there's only one word answer अगर मुझे इसका देना है, जिद्दी बनो. झगड़ा करो, जिद्दी बनो. There's no easy way out. Like my parents were not supportive, they are still not supportive. But what do? Do I do job and kill my happiness? No, I'm not going to do that. I had only, okay, so whatever you want to do, आप में उतनी जिद होनी चाहिए and उतना प्यार होना चाहिए, and you should be passionate, and you should know that this is what I want to do. If I die tomorrow, will I regret today? No, I won't. I will, of course. I still have a lot of things I want to achieve, but I would not regret कि अरे मैंने वो नहीं किया जो मुझे करना है. मरने के एक दिन पहले या मरने के टाइम also I am thinking, oh shit, I should have done this. I didn't want to have that regret. I knew my love for my art and my dance is above all these things. And stability, I understand, of course. I didn't sit for, when it comes to placement, I didn't even sit for one placement, क्योंकि मुझे पता था I would somehow qualify. एंड अगर मुझे वो ऑफर लेटर आता तो घर से प्रेशर होता, अरे तू 1 साल काम कर ले, 2 साल काम कर ले. एंड दैट वॉज द टाइम जब मेरा ग्राफ डांस में भी ऐसे जा रहा था. वो 1-2 साल में बहुत ज़्यादा डिप हो जाता है एंड देन अगेन कमिंग बैक. एंड वो 1-2 साल में ऑफकोर्स इंजीनियरिंग, कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग, मिनिमम 60-70 मंथली पे होता है, 50 to 70 पकड़ लो. बट डांस में डू यू थिंक फर्स्ट मंथ आई वॉज गेटिंग दैट मच? नो, आई विल बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, आई वॉज गेटिंग 15 to 20. सो फॉर मी, इफ आई वुड हैव gotten into that lifestyle that, oh, by the end of the month I'm getting 60 or 70 or 50 also, and then suddenly dropping down to 10 or 15 or 20, that would have been a major setback. फिर वो मुझे बहुत bother करता. तो it's better that I went from 10 to 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, whatever I'm earning right now. It depends. But वही है कि पेरेंट्स को, I feel इंडिया में अगर आप एक आर्टिस्ट के पेरेंट्स हो, that's a very difficult thing. क्योंकि it's not just about parents. I mean, I have a community. I'm Bengali, so I have a community. इतने, and I have always been good in studies. तो वही रहा है. People always wanted me to become certain thing, like आप इंजीनियर बनो, डॉक्टर बनो, CA वगैरह. So when everyone got to know, नॉट जस्ट माई पेरेंट्स, मेरे पेरेंट्स को लोगों ने बोला, अरे आपकी बेटी को समझाओ ये क्या हो रहा है, प्लीज टेल हर दिस इज नॉट द राइट थिंग. एंड आई वॉज सो इरिटेटेड. आई वॉज लाइक, प्लीज, ऑलरेडी माई पेरेंट्स आर सो वरिड एंड ऊपर से इतना सोसाइटी का प्रेशर आ रहा था. दैट डिडंट बॉदर मी. व्हाट बॉदर्ड मी वाज पेरेंट्स से सपोर्ट ना मिलना. बट आई अंडरस्टैंड, उनको चाहिए कि मेरा फ्यूचर सिक्योर हो. एंड आर्ट फील्ड में इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट. यू, this month I am getting 1 lakh by the end of the month, next month I might get only 10K. That is there. But again, many people are not able to, they sacrifice their passion because उनको वो डर होता है कि stability है या नहीं. But तुम्हारा प्यार उतना ज़्यादा है क्या that without, though knowing the drawbacks, you still take up that thing. That is one thing that you need to be stubborn and you need to be sure and very passionate कि चाहे ना मिले उतने पैसे, but eventually you will. Eventually in art field you can see singers, dancers, actors, content creators, they are earning in lakhs doing bare minimum.
Even
You
now,
can
I think,
see
yeah,
people are earning in lakhs in a day.
Yeah.
Who can give, which job can give you that? They can't. But उधर तक भी जाने को time लगेगा. And for me, I am a performer. So for me, I cannot just also take the shortcut कि अरे सिर्फ ये कर लिया, ये कर लिया. फॉर मी आर्ट, तो उसको भी मैं पूछती हूँ. फॉर मी ट्रेनिंग इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट, तो आई गिव टाइम टू दैट ऑल्सो, देन टेकिंग अप प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड ऑल. सो दे वर वेरी, माई पेरेंट्स वर इन शॉक. दे वर नॉट. 1 year वी जस्ट हैड कॉन्स्टेंट डेली आर्ग्यूमेंट्स, फाइट्स, दिस एंड दैट. बट I was very stubborn and they realized कि नहीं सुनेगी बेटी. So now they are not fine, they are still worried. But at least when they saw me on the stage of Rajadhiraj, I feel they were happy and they felt a little like safe, और वो feel आया कि अरे चलो कुछ कर लेगी.
How was that feeling for you कि parents देख रहे इतनी बड़ी audience के सामने?
I cried. I remember 13th August was the first show of Rajadhiraj and it was only for friends and family. 13th was for friends and family, zero show बोलते हैं. 14th was for celebrities and politicians. I think कुछ लोग हो गए, मतलब invites, guests invitees को थे. And 15th से Book My Show पे for general audience चालू हुआ था. तो 13th को I remember my parents coming and मतलब शो के बाद मिली. बट मेरा बस वो 13th का परफॉर्मेंस मेरा एक ही ड्राइविंग सोर्स था. लाइक ऑफकोर्स इट वॉज अ वेरी हाई परफॉर्मेंस क्योंकि वो सबके लिए पहला था. तो दैट वॉज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ द एंटायर सीजन. ये प्रोड्यूसर्स एंड सब जो देखते हैं उन्होंने भी बोला, क्रिएटिव डायरेक्टर्स एंड ऑल, दैट वॉज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट परफॉर्मर्स क्योंकि सब लोग एक्साइटेड थे. एक तो पहला शो एंड सबका ही ऐसा था कि उनके पेरेंट्स आ रहे थे. एंड फॉर मी आई शिफ्टेड टू पुणे, from Pune to Mumbai, and Mumbai में वो मेरा first था. तो my parents traveling from a city to different city just to see their daughter perform it was the first time happening. So I just knew कि मुझे अपने parents तक वो connect करना है. And I still remember, so after the show ends, ऐसे NMACC is a beautiful stage. It is a stage for all the artists. It is a beautiful, it's a divine stage for me. क्योंकि कृष्ण पे था तो already the entire thing was very divine. But in itself also it's a beautiful stage. ऐसे opera house जैसे जाता है वैसे है. So by the end of the show, everyone stood up. There was standing ovation, and then all the creative producers, directors, whoever was involved in it. Our choreographers, our producers, everyone came up, and then curtain drop jab hua, I was crying the entire time because one of my manifestation, like which came true, didn't have ऐसे विजन बोर्ड और समथिंग लाइक दैट, बट आई न्यू जब मैंने NMACC जब इनॉग्रेट हुआ एंड आई सॉ NMACC का वो द ग्रैंड थिएटर बोलते हैं उसको, सो ग्रैंड थिएटर का जब मैंने पिक्चर देखा वो मेरे दिमाग में छप गया था दैट आई वांटेड टू परफॉर्म हियर, आई वांट टू परफॉर्म हियर. एंड ओके, सो जब ये ऑडिशन भी आया इट वाज जस्ट कि क्लासिकल डांसर्स चाहिए, क्लासिकल और फोक ट्रेन डांसर्स, and it is going to be a mythological story. After I gave the audition during the break time, results आने से पहले उसी दिन हमको result बता दिया था 10th May I went to Mumbai and gave the audition, and उसी दिन result आ गया था. तो break में मुझे पता चला that it's going to be on Shri Krishna, and I was like ये कृष्ण पे. Then I got to know that ये NMACC में होने वाला है. Oh my God, मेरा ऐसे दिल में लड्डू फूटने जैसा हो गया था, and I was like okay control, पहले result positive आने दो. So I was just praying कि हो जाए हो गया.
What do you think कि before that you are obviously grinded, तो मतलब there's a thing which I usually follow is in terms of job applications कि you know you have to keep applying and फिर 100 जब तुम applications करोगे तो उसमें से एक you will get a yes. So in your dance profession, so you must have went to a lot of interviews, a lot of gigs जहाँ पे you made connections. So I'll paint a picture for you. Let's say कि मेरे को डांस में इंटरेस्ट है, I want to be a professional dancer, and but due to peer pressure, parents and everything, I'm doing, let's say, computer engineering या कोई course, I'm doing a course. Now for that person, take him from that to what you are. I mean, what are the things which that person can do or avoid in terms of mistakes. So अभी if someone asks you यार तनया मेरे को ना as a profession करना है, so what are the takes on that?
Okay, so जैसे मैंने बोला कि आर्ट में कोई फिक्स्ड फील्ड नहीं है. जैसे you want to do something else, anything else, you have a fixed path. Okay, you do this that. One thing is that you have to be you should know your skill. मतलब I knew myself as a dancer and I am constantly training. Now dance में भी बहुत सारा आता है. मैं बस डांस पकड़ रही हूँ, you can consider it singing, acting also. But dance में भी you want to just focus on making videos. Then you want to start a dance class and do that. It's a different thing. I wanted to perform on greater stage. So first of all I would say कि art field है, आपको create करना है. Don't stop learning. The moment you stop learning, you would stop creating. तो make sure कि आप कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ train कर रहे हो before telling that you want to pursue it professionally. Because engineering या कोई और course भी ले लो, आपको उतना काबिल होना पड़ेगा. You need to मतलब अपने So first of all you do that, and then you have to dance में ऐसा नहीं है interview. You have to submit your videos. Like you need to connect to other dancers. So one of the best platform was I started posting videos on Instagram, and that's how I got connected to, and since my page is open, and at that time also it was open, so I could connect to a lot of different dancers. Then ये बस connection के through होता है dance में. It's not like कि एक organization है उन्होंने आपको hire कर लिया. वैसा scene अभी तक dance का art का इंडिया में नहीं आया, but in future it will also come up. I'm sure about that. Universities हो गए, organizations हो गए, that is going to come up. But as of now, it's only connection based. And whatever projects you are getting in hand, do it. Like मैंने background dancing भी किया है in big budget CR वाले weddings. So it was like for me, I was like, why am I even doing this? क्योंकि honestly that was not something I wanted to do. I broke down so many times. Like मैं perform करने वाली हूँ, मैं backstage हूँ and I'm crying कि मैंने इतना train किया है, and my parents if they see this me performing, they won't be happy. I'm not belittling it, but you know what you want to do. Now there are this is a easy option. इसमें आपको बहुत ज़्यादा skilled dancer होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You can do sangeets and corporate events and all award shows here and there, like the regional award shows, Marathi award shows and all, and you would need to be a good dancer, not an excellent dancer, but the kind of efforts and training I had taken up, I had put up in myself, I knew कि it's not यही बस मुझे नहीं करना है. But honestly, while I was doing all those, जो connections build हुए and the money that I had saved up, that became my driving source when I went to Mumbai. Had I not done that, Mumbai में shift होना भी difficult हो जाता, because again by Krishna's grace, by the end of the first month of Rajadhiraj, I got my paycheck. But वो, you know, to take up the rental apartment, to give the deposit, to give brokerage, you need that much. You need 60-70,000. Had I not done all the projects which I was cribbing on, I wouldn't have been able to survive. आके कहाँ रहती? I have no friends or relatives or anyone in Mumbai. So you need to explore all kind of field. Now, if you are from a middle class, you need to manage your finances. You need to see your backup and all. I would suggest do everything. Don't be कि अरे नहीं मैं तो ये नहीं करूँगा या मैं तो ये नहीं करूँगी. Whatever is coming your way, do. Corporate में मैंने then I danced in the corporate industry also, for they have like this big events होता है annually उनका. Then I did choreography events also संगीत में. Then I taught in a school also annual day. Other than Euro, I did at Loyola's. I was with a group. उनके थ्रू मैंने लॉयला में भी एक महीने या 1.5 महीने के लिए उधर एनुअल डे का था. बस उनका एनुअल डे के लिए कोरियोग्राफर चाहिए थी, तो I went through a team, directly नहीं मिला. So it's all about connection and
saving your finances.
Yeah,
managing your
finances
well.
and finances ऐसे ही आएगी कि आप कोई काम करो जो भी आ रहा है, don't say no. पहले I would be like कि अरे नहीं, don't do it, but don't get stuck to it. But that also depends on you.
Don't make it your
yeah.
life.
If you want to, there are so many people who are fine with it. They just want to do that. Then they are focusing on making reels, this and that. Then you go ahead with that, no problem. But if you want, जैसे I knew I wanted to shift to Mumbai, I want to do something great. तो वो something great के लिए भी पहला CD लेना पड़ेगा, which might not look that great, but you never know. It's all connected. When you do it, जैसे मैंने बोला, वो जो मेरे earnings थे, that only helped me survive in Mumbai. So take up and कनेक्शंस बहुत बनते हैं एंड आपको एक्सपीरियंस मिलता है. लाइक फॉर नाउ आई नो पुणे में क्या क्या है. इधर यू गो टू द कॉर्पोरेट, यू कैन स्टार्ट योर ओन कोरियोग्राफी, यू पुट अप वीडियोज एंड ऑल, तो आपको कोरियोग्राफी प्रोजेक्ट्स भी मिलेंगे. नाउ देयर आर मैनी who have not done all this also, performance संगीत वगैरह में नहीं किया. they have just focused on Instagram कि आप वीडियोस वगैरह डालते रहो. then you start taking classes दूसरे स्टूडियोज में. then you start taking choreography, संगीत choreography, corporate choreography. then you take up school annual days. You can do that also.
Yeah.
And then you can teach.
Pune में there are opportunities. So I have heard this thing. Obviously सबने सुना है कि Mumbai is the city of dreams. So if you want to go into entertainment industry या dance ऐसे, तो Mumbai is the city where you want to be. So how is Mumbai, and is it really true?
Yeah, Mumbai is the city of dreams and वहाँ पे इंडस्ट्री है. So जैसे मैंने बोला, मैंने पुणे में सब एक्सपीरियंस कर लिया, ऑलमोस्ट सब एक्सप्लोर कर लिया. लाइक आई डांस्ड फॉर अ मराठी अवार्ड शो ऑल्सो. देन आई डांस्ड फॉर संगीत. देन आई डिड कोरियोग्राफी इन स्कूल. I did choreography for the corporate. I danced in the corporate. Then I did Sangeet choreography also. And after this, I was starting. So before Rajadhiraj came, I was planning to start my classes in multiple areas. I spoke to few studios in city side. That was my next step. क्योंकि तभी मेरे पास उतना बैकअप वगैरह नहीं था. तभी I was not thinking of shifting to Mumbai. क्योंकि आप नहीं हो सकते सडनली जब तक आपके पास उतना अच्छा खासा बैकअप ना हो. यू जस्ट कांट शिफ्ट.
इन द सेंस बैकअप इन द सेंस कि कितना होना चाहिए टू टेक दैट लीप.
So see, since I got a project who is going to pay me by the end of the month, तो मेरे लिए 60-70 was fine. But अगर you are someone who is shifting and वहाँ पे जाके आप job hunt करोगे, तो minimum 1 से 2 तक का तो होना चाहिए is what I feel. Now it may vary also, but mostly लोग वही नहीं करते हैं. दे मेक श्योर कि कुछ उनको मिल रहा है अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड उस बेसिस पे जाए, क्योंकि मुंबई में रहना इज़ वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. सो या जैसे मैंने बोला कि पुणे में ये इतना आप कर सकते हो. एंड देन यू स्टार्ट योर ओन स्टूडियो इन सम टाइम. अपना कुछ खरीद लो एंड मेक योर ओन स्टूडियो एंड देन यू कैन अर्न इन लैक्स हियर ऑल्सो. आप कमा कहीं पे भी सकते हो. बट राजाधीराज पुणे में आ सकता था, नहीं आ सकता था. ऑल लाइक द इंडस्ट्री शूट्स. आई डिड अ रीसेंट शूट फॉर it's an industry shoot. Kruti Mahesh was the choreographer. So I did shoot. It's a South Indian film and the actress is very well known. The director was Mani Ratnam.
Oh.
Yeah, so उनका था. Again, I had no clue about this. So all the shoots and all will happen in Mumbai only since the industry is there. फिर मुंबई से ही बहुत बड़े बड़े टूर्स मतलब लाइक सिंगापुर में या दुबई में, आबू धाबी में सारे शोज हो रहे, तो उधर से रिक्रूट होता है. तो मुंबई में काम बहुत ज़्यादा है. द सेम थिंग आई डू हियर, आई विल गेट सपोज 5K. द सेम थिंग आई एम डूइंग इन मुंबई, आई गेट 10K.
You might have seen people who turn back from Mumbai कि वो सपने लेके आ गए, but there has, maybe it's from your perspective or your observation that they did something wrong which maybe they didn't realize and then they had to go back because you know they felt कि यार नहीं हो रहा है मुझसे, and it's very hectic. I can understand Mumbai is a very big city,
Yeah.
expenses wise बहुत pressure होता है, and then you also then sometimes get pressure from your family कि यार you know वापस आ जा, do something related to your degree या this thing. So what is your take on that?
Yeah.
What is your perspective?
So ये होता है. Like I have also had friends who went and they came back क्योंकि मुंबई में रहना is like very expensive. True. I don't know what went wrong क्योंकि सबका जैसा मैंने बोला जर्नी अलग होता है, सबका स्टाइल अलग होता है. Now there are hip hop artists, there are contemp artists, then there are classical dancers, then people who do jazz, funk and all. So वैसे वैसे projects आते हैं. Projects are not like न्यूट्रल, कोई भी डांसर आ सकता है. अभी प्रोजेक्ट्स में रिक्वायरमेंट आता है कि यू नीड टू नो दिस डांस स्टाइल, यू नीड टू इधर नो कंटेम्प्रेरी, हिप हॉप डांसर्स आर रिक्वायर्ड, क्लासिकल डांसर्स आर रिक्वायर्ड, ऐसे आता है. सो मे बी इट्स जस्ट दैट कि उनको वो प्रोजेक्ट्स नहीं मिला. एंड ऑल्सो आई हैव सीन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्राउड यू आर इन, जो आपका सर्कल है, दैट मैटर्स अ लॉट. क्योंकि सरप्राइजिंगली आई हैव हैड लाइक राजाधिराज में देयर वर डांसर्स who have been dancing in Mumbai from past 10-20 years and they are negative talking. They're like, oh you have a engineering degree, तो तू ये क्यों कर रही है, इसमें तो पैसे नहीं है, why are you doing this and that, and that felt very bad. So honestly any criticism from family also feels bad, but इतना नहीं जितना जब डांस के फील्ड के लोग ही बोलते या फिर आर्ट के फील्ड के लोग ही बोलते कि don't do that. You just have to, जैसा मैंने बोला, your art needs to be really good, you need to keep brushing it up, you need to keep training yourself and you need to have self faith कि आपको ये करना है. I know for a fact कि मेरा journey by God's grace is going to be different than them. I am not going to regret saying कि अरे नहीं वो कर लेना चाहिए था. So it can depend on कि maybe उनको वैसे projects नहीं मिले, but make sure कि आपका circle अच्छा रहे जो आपको motivate करे, and if कभी financial need हुआ तो वो आपको थोड़े time के लिए दे दे, क्योंकि मुंबई में काम है, आप रहो तो काम है और आपको ठोकरें भी खाने पड़ेगी. एंड बी फ्लेक्सिबल कि यू नो डोंट सेट अ सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ लाइफस्टाइल कि ओके दिस मंथ आई एम गेटिंग दिस मच एंड मेरा ये हो गया कि इस स्टैंडर्ड में मैं जी रहा हूँ या जी रही हूँ, एंड देन सडनली नेक्स्ट मंथ यू डोंट गेट दैट मच मनी एंड देन इट टेक्स यू डाउन, ओ शिट मुझे ये नहीं चलेगा. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. यू हैव टू बी वेरी फ्लेक्सिबल. आर्ट इन इट सेल्फ इज़ अ वेरी अनस्टेबल थिंग. सो अगर आप अपना लाइफस्टाइल स्टेबल करने का कोशिश करो, सो दैट अप्रोच इज़ ओनली wrong I feel, because you have selected knowing कि ये unstable field है, then you can't expect कि अरे हर महीने stability हो या फिर पहला महीना जितना अच्छा मिला है next महीना भी उतना अच्छा हो. And you need to believe yourself and also have faith in God. Like for me that is my driving source. I know Radha Krishna will always take care of me whatever
Just
I'm
on
doing.
that, like,
Yeah.
why you believe that, and now because of your answers I know that you believe in Radha Krishna. So was there something that made you turn towards them, because there are a number of
yeah. So honestly क्योंकि मुझे डांस I told it's a gift from God, and तो मेरे सबसे मतलब I still worship them, I worship all gods. So सबसे पहले मेरा inclination was towards महादेव, and I क्योंकि नटराज वो डांस के लिए उनको पूजा जाता है, एंड भरतनाट्यम एंड ऑल, मतलब उन्होंने क्लासिकल अगर आप डांस वगैरह देखो तो आई थिंक उन्होंने ही लाया है. बट देन भरतनाट्यम वॉज स्टार्टेड एज अ फॉर्म ऑफ वर्शिप टूवर्ड्स कृष्ण. तो देवदासीज थी, दे यूज टू सैक्रिफाइस देयर लाइफ, दे वुड नॉट गेट मैरिड टू एनीवन. वो एज अ फॉर्म ऑफ पूजा मंदिरों में नृत्य करते थे बस कृष्ण के लिए, उन्हीं को अपना पति, उन्हीं को अपना सब कुछ मान के उनके लिए करते थे. सो दिस इज हाउ आई थिंक ऑल आर्ट फॉर्म is created by God. I don't think so humans have the ability to even create something as beautiful as art. So from I think शिव जी को सबसे बड़ा भक्त माना जाता है कृष्ण का, वही मुझे लेके गए टूवर्ड्स कृष्ण. एंड ऑल्सो बाप्पा आते हैं हमारे घर पे 10 दिन के लिए. बीइंग बंगाली वी हैव दुर्गा पूजा सबसे बिगेस्ट फेस्टिवल, एंड देन हमारा काली माँ का टेम्पल है. सो इट्स लाइक I have been worshipping all gods. I just believed in that high power. मतलब मुझे भगवान में विश्वास
It's
था.
not a manifestation कि ये है इनको पूजना है, but you believe that there's a higher power.
Yeah. But somehow I am a strong believer कि मुझे शिव जी ही लेके गए कृष्ण तक, and उसका भी एक अलग जर्नी है. If you go to see in my spiritual path, I feel I'm nowhere. मतलब मैंने अभी तक start भी नहीं किया है, कुछ भी नहीं किया है, but I'm just grateful because I have seen people not believing in it. क्योंकि there will be time self doubt मुझे भी मुझे existential crisis भी आ जाता है बहुत बार आ जाता है. Every alternate day I'll have
How do you
existential
deal with it कि यार
crisis.
नहीं मैंने engineering कर लेना चाहिए, existential
नहीं
crisis?
वो नहीं आता है.
अच्छा.
But it's like somewhere in वो नहीं आता because I know यही करना है मुझे. So one thing I have realized, I can't do something which is monotonous. Okay, मतलब belittle, again I'm not belittling it, but as I have an artist soul, I want to be creative and do something different always. So dance में भी ऐसा होता है that you are sent for 6 months or for 1 year foreign, you know that like global village and all होता है दुबई में, you have to do the same thing. वो सोच के भी I can't do that. It is dance, but again it is the same thing. I feel I won't be able to do it. Like 2-3 months is still fine, but something which is same and monotonous is not for me. Now वो हर एक artist का और हर एक इंसान का अलग अलग होता है perspective. So in my perspective, I can't do that. But I was like कहीं तो lack कर रही हूँ, you know, maybe my social game is not that strong, or this is not that strong, or that is not that strong. ये सब आता है. But in all this, the belief in God is never going down, though my belief in myself is going down, and that भगवान ही फिर से मेरा खुद पे belief बढ़ा देते. I feel that.
I can just एक बोलूँगा.
Yeah.
श्री कृष्ण was the सारथी of Arjuna.
Yeah.
जिसको भी self doubt थे.
हाँ.
इसलिए he guided him.
Yeah.
कि तू कर, तू बांध चला. I'll guide you. So maybe that is something he's guiding you, and you're just following the track.
Yeah, he is, and whatever God you believe, I feel they are inside you, and वही मैंने बोला, you need to love him or her, whoever you are worshipping. Like just don't treat them as a wish granting machine कि ये problem हो गया, मुझे ये दो वो दो, दुख से निकालो ये वो. You need to believe. By believe I mean आँख बंद करके भरोसा करो. कभी कभार मेरा भी I start thinking, overthinking and all, ये सब होगा, which is very natural, but you keep working on it. So your belief has to be strong, and make sure you just don't give up. Right circle is also important, which again I feel भगवान ही आपको उस circle में place करते हैं. Like if you are surrendering yourself to him, तो he'll make sure कि आप अच्छे circle में रहो, या आपको projects आगे आने लगे. Don't give up so easily, क्योंकि art is not a easy field. आपको 1 साल 2 साल 3, some people just get the fame very easily. क्योंकि मे बी लक फैक्टर भी आता है into consideration, that is working for them, but some people get it a little late. तो it's fine. in art field you cannot have कि यार 1 साल में मिल जाएगा, 2 साल में, 5 साल में, 10 साल में, कभी कभार उसके बाद, कभी कभार एक आधे साल में भी मिल जाता है.
So Tanaya, thank you so much for your insights.
Thank you for calling.
एक last question. What is your dream that you would like to achieve? Maybe this could be your vision board through this podcast, क्योंकि ये recorded है. You tell your dream.
Oh my God.
सच हो सकता है.
Oh shit. Yeah, it's a little vague.
It
like
doesn't has to be like 5-10 years, but yeah, it's fine यार. Vague तो vague ठीक है. मैं podcast कर रहा हूँ in the studio with no expectations.
So I just want to be in front of the camera, and I want कि वो कैमरे का जो औधा है वो बढ़ता रहे धीरे धीरे, like from छोटे screen से लेके then बड़े screen तक. It's just I love being in front of the camera. It can be static camera, it can be लोगों के आँखों का camera. When I'm performing on stage, there's no camera, वो live audience है, but their eyes become the lenses, the camera that they are seeing me. Or when I did my short film, it was the camera that I was in that छोटा screen. So I just want to explore various fields. I love speaking also. I told you that I love speaking. I want to explore that also. I just know for a fact that I am an artist by soul, and all these things, blessings are given by God. So I want to explore it in every way, and I want to become the black sheep of the family who is earning a lot, but everyone knows who is Tanaya Biswas.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Tanaya. hopefully everyone will know who is Tanaya Biswas,
Yeah.
and we'll see you soon on the show.
Yes.
Thank you
See
so
you
much.
soon. Thank you.
So that was Tanaya, and I hope you gained a lot of insights from her journey from a professional computer science, not a professional computer science, but someone who has done computer science and now turned into a professional dancer. Yeah, of course, the journey is not as easy as it seems like, but as she mentioned, have a right circle, have positive self-talks, don't do negative self-talks, have a good circle, and believe in something. It shouldn't be that you have to believe in some god or something, but at least have something that you have a belief that there is someone or some power who will help you, maybe your future self. And that's it. Thanks for watching.